When you realize Allah is Qadeer, you realize you can get through anything. Nothing can stop you. Because can anything stop Allah? No. And Allah is behind you, so how can anything stop you? This is one of the meanings behind when Allah says, وَمَن يَتَّقِ اللَّهَ يَجْعَلْ لَهُ مَخْرَجًا. Whoever is conscious of Allah, he finds him a way out. وَيَرْزُقُهُ مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَحْتَسِبْ. He gives him from the place you never expected. Why? وَمَن يَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ فَهُوَ حَسْبُهُ. Whoever relies just on Allah, not on their stick, not on this measure, not on this medical treatment. You might take them, but you trust Al-Qadeer, Allah is enough for you. And if you had every tool and resource in the world, but you didn't trust Al-Qadeer, nothing will happen. And if you have zero tools, zero power and ability, no army, but you trust Allah, Allah will make it happen. أَلَيْسَ اللَّهُ بِكَافٍ عَبْدَهُ. Isn't Allah enough for His slaves? وَيُخَوِّفُونَكَ بِالَّذِينَ مِن دُونِهِ. They scare you with people less than Allah. قُلْ. What does Allah say? قُلْ حَسْبِيَ اللَّهُ. Say, Allah, Habibi, bring your army, bring your tanks, bring your government. Allah is with me. عَلَيْهِ فَلْيَتَوَكَّلِ الْمُتَوَكِّلُونَ. I trust in Him. I rely upon Him. And His powers are unlimited. وَخَزَائِنُهُ مَلْآنَةٌ. His wealth is unlimited. And His qudra is unlimited. فَأَجْمِعُوا أَمْرَكُمْ. Bring everyone together. ثُمَّ كِيدُونِ. Plan, make a big plan and a strategy to kill me. I have Allah with me. إِنِّي وَجَّهْتُ وَجْهِيَ لِلَّذِي فَطَرَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ حَنِيفًا. I have just turned myself just to the one who made this whole world from scratch. What can you do in front of Him? This is the secret that made the Muslims powerful. They put their trust in the all-powerful. And the moment they put their trust in themselves or their horses or their army, they lost. What happened in the Battle of Uhud? What did they think of themselves? They thought that they could win because of their own resources. What did Allah teach them? وَمَا النَّصْرُ إِلَّا مِنْ عِنْدِ اللَّهِ. Victory can only come if you trust Allah. You may be small in number. You may be outnumbered. You may be financially struggling. You may be a nobody. But whoever has Al-Qadeer, you are powerful beyond measure.